guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, your girl finally got her ring light, so better lighting, you know. But yeah, today will be a quick makeup look, an everyday look, you know, just your eyebrows, foundation, a little bit of concealer and some lip gloss, and yeah, something that you can just wear on a daily without people saying, hey girl, you got on too much makeup. But if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so below before we get started. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you will be the first person to see. And with that being said, let's get started with our video. Okay, today I will be filling in my eyebrows with this brown eyebrow or eye pencil. So I'll just be filling it in with this pencil instead of the pomade. Yes, I know my eyebrows look crazy, but you know, I like to draw them thick and then go ahead and conceal the heck out of these bad boys. So for concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and go with my LA Girl Pro Girl Conceal in the shade Fawn. Okay, now that the brows are done into my desired shape, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the LA Girl, I don't know if you guys can see it, LA Girl Pro Girl face primer. And you know, if you watch my other video, you just put this on like you kind of like lotion it. For foundation, we're gonna go ahead and go in with Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 355 Coconut. And where's my foundation brush? So this is my foundation brush, and I just like to take a small amount because sometimes I like to overdo it, and I just kind of like put it, you know, in the places where, you know, it needs to be blended. So, yep. Okay, and for concealer, we're gonna go ahead and go in with the NYX HD concealer in the shade Caramel. And I just put it under my eyes, line down my nose, and this eye, my chin, and my forehead. Okay, your face should look like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and go in with a damp beauty blender that I forgot to bring, so 1 second. Okay, I got my damp beauty blender, and we're just gonna go ahead and beat this face a little bit. Blend, blend, blend until it's not as harsh anymore. Now for contour, I don't really contour on a daily basis, but for contour kits, I do have a Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm gonna use this one right here that shows contour. This is my first time actually using this, but I be seeing like a lot of YouTubers with it, and I heard it's really good, so here goes. So just put a little over there, and a little over there, and then you kind of like blend it in. For blush, we're going to use the BH Cosmetics blush palette, and I like to use these two, like the two darker ones, and you know, you gotta suck those cheeks in, you know. Okay, that's done. Okay, we're gonna go back up to the eyes and put on some eyeliner. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and apply the falsies. You know, my everyday look cannot be complete without lashes. Everybody know me for wearing lashes, and I think I should start a lash company. Like, I always got on lashes. So I might look into that business adventure, but yeah, I'm gonna apply my lashes with this hair glue. Okay, for eyeliner, we're gonna use our Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I'm gonna put this on my top lid. Okay, for highlight, we're gonna go in with the Glow Kit by Anastasia's Beverly Hills. And like I said, I'm extra. I like to use all three of the bottom shades here, and I mix all of them just to go ahead and get my highlight popping. Okay, for my brows, I like to go back in with my spoolie and just comb up the front so they can look a little bit more natural. Okay. And last but not least, your setting spray. And I just spray, 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 spray. Woo. And that is the look. Okay, I take that back. I forgot my lipstick. Duh. How did I forget that? But yep, I like to go in with my Victoria's Secret liquid color. And I put this in the middle of the lips only. And then I like to line all around the lip to give it that dark to light ombre effect. Okay. And then I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. clear lip gloss to put on top as the top coat. Yes, bitch, I am done. Yes, so yes, guys, this is a final look, and you know, it's simple, it's everyday. You could go to work, school, an event if you want to be natural makeup. Like, it's so natural, no extra stuff, you know, like, so yeah, this is my natural look. And if you guys like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.